Teeth and microbes. Teeth helps us bite and chew our food, and keeping them clean is very important. Tiny living things called microbes live all around us, even in our mouths. Some of them can harm our teeth and cause decay if we do not take care of them. In this chapter, we will explore the types of teeth, different ways of maintaining them healthy, and the impact of microbes on our oral hygiene. Teeth. We all have a pair of jaws in our mouths. The upper jaw is fixed, but the lower jaw can move. Each jaw has a row of hard, bone-like teeth. Together, they form a complete set of teeth. All of us know that teeth help us to chew food well. Chewing breaks the food into smaller pieces so that it may be digested easily. Without teeth, it would not have been possible for us to enjoy our food. Teeth also help us to speak properly and give shape to our faces. As we grow, we get two sets of teeth, milk teeth and permanent teeth. Each set has an important role in helping us eat and speak properly. Let us learn about the two sets of teeth in detail. Temporary teeth. When a baby is born, we cannot see its teeth. However, the baby already had tooth buds inside their gums. The teeth usually start appearing when the baby is about 6 months old. By the time the baby is around 3 years old, it has a set of 20 teeth. This first set of teeth is called temporary teeth, baby teeth, or milk teeth. Permanent teeth. By the age of 6 or 7 years, the milk teeth begin to fall. Another set of larger and stronger teeth replaces them. These are called permanent teeth. An adult usually has 14 teeth in the upper jaw and 14 teeth in the lower jaw, making a total of 28 teeth. By the time we are about 21 years old, most people get 4 more teeth at the back of the mouth. These are called wisdom teeth, and with them we have a full set of 32 teeth. If permanent teeth fall off, they do not grow back. Do you know your teeth started forming beneath the gums before you were born? Structure and layers of a tooth. A tooth is made up of different parts that work together to keep it strong and healthy. Each tooth has several layers, starting from the hard outer covering to the soft inside part. Let us learn about the structure and layers of tooth in detail. Structure of a tooth. Each tooth has 3 main parts: crown, neck, and root. Crown. It is the visible part of the tooth above the gums. Neck. It is the part of tooth below the crown, touching the gums. Root. This is the part of tooth inside the gums that holds the tooth firmly in the jaw. Layers of a tooth. Each tooth has 3 layers: enamel, dentine, and pulp. Enamel. It is the outermost white layer of the tooth. It is the hardest part of our body. It protects our teeth from any damage or microbes and helps us chew our food. Dentine. It is the layer located below the enamel. It is pale white in color and is a bone-like material that supports the enamel. Pulp. It is the innermost soft layer found inside the dentine. The pulp contains blood vessels and nerves. These nerves are connected to the gums through a small hole at the tip of the root. Types of teeth. There are 4 types of teeth inside the mouth. They are incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Each type of tooth has a separate function. They differ in size, shape, and number. Let us understand about types of teeth. Teeth type. Incisor, cutting teeth. Canine or tearing teeth. Premolar or cracking teeth. Molar, grinding teeth. Number of teeth. 8. 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. 4. 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. 8. 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. 12. 6 in upper jaw and 6 in lower jaw. Position in mouth. Front, either side of incisors, behind canine, back. Description: chisel shaped, sharp edges, sharp and slightly more pointed than incisors, flat and broad, 1 or 2 roots, broader than premolars, 2 or 3 roots. Function: cutting and biting of food, cutting and tearing, crushing and chewing, chewing and grinding. Care of teeth and gums. Our teeth are strong, but they can still get damaged as many germs live in our mouth. Germs are tiny living things which cause diseases. Tooth decay causes bad breath, toothache, bleeding gums, and cavities. Let us learn about tooth decay in detail. Formation of cavities in teeth. If we do not brush our teeth properly, these germs grow between the teeth and form a sticky yellow layer called plaque. These germs also mix with the sugar in food particles and produce a substance called acid. The acid damages the enamel and causes a small hole in the tooth called a cavity. If a cavity keeps growing, it leads to tooth decay. The hole may reach the nerves inside the tooth and cause a toothache, making it difficult to chew food. Sometimes teeth become very weak and may even fall out. Sometimes people lose all their teeth and wear artificial teeth called dentures. So, we must follow good dental habits to keep our teeth healthy. Ways to keep your teeth clean and healthy. Brush your teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Brush the front and back of your teeth in a gentle circular and up and down motion. Always rinse your mouth after every meal. Clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner. Always eat healthy food. Avoid sticky foods, chocolates, and cold drinks. Eat lots of fruits and salads. Use mouthwash and dental floss daily to keep your mouth clean. Food for healthy teeth and gums. We should not eat too many toffees and sweets. We must eat food that contains calcium and vitamins A, C, and D. Foods like milk, cheese, fruits, and green leafy vegetables help keep our teeth strong because they contain important nutrients that make teeth healthy. Apples and raw carrots are good for our teeth. Need for regular checkups. We know that prevention is better than cure. We should visit a dentist once in 6 months to get our teeth checked. This helps the dentist treat small dental problems before they become big. For example, a small cavity can be filled up before it damages the whole tooth. Microbes. We see many living things around us. Some organisms or living things are so tiny that we cannot see them with our naked eyes. They are called microbes or microorganisms. They can be found everywhere, in food, soil, water, and even outside and inside our body. We can see them only using a microscope. Microbes can be harmful as well as useful for us. Harmful microbes can cause a large number of diseases and are called germs and pathogens. The 4 main kinds of microbes are bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. Let us learn about these microbes in detail. Bacteria, singular bacterium, are the most common living organisms on the earth. They are made up of only one cell. They have different shapes such as rod-shaped, spherical, spiral, and comma-shaped. Harmful bacteria cause diseases like tuberculosis, TB, cholera, typhoid, food poisoning, tooth decay, pneumonia, etc., while useful bacteria help in making cheese, curd, vinegar, etc. Some bacteria even help us digest the food we eat. Viruses, singular virus, are the smallest microorganisms. They can be seen only with a powerful microscope. They cause diseases like influenza, common cold, dengue, chickenpox, measles, smallpox, etc. Fungi, singular fungus, are the microbes that grow on dead and decaying matter. Harmful fungi can cause skin problems like ringworm and eczema, while useful fungi help in making of bread and wine. Mushrooms and yeast are also some examples of useful fungi. Protozoa, singular protozoan, are single-celled organisms and are generally bigger than bacteria. They mostly live in water and moist soil. Some protozoa can cause diseases like dysentery, sleeping sickness, and malaria. However, many protozoa are harmless and some even help by breaking down dead plants and animals in the soil, which improves soil fertility. Do you know the COVID-19 pandemic was caused by a virus called SARS-CoV-2, Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2. Keywords: milk teeth, temporary set of teeth we have during childhood. Crown, the visible part of the tooth above the gums. Enamel, the hard, white outer covering of a tooth. Plaque, a yellow sticky layer formed on the teeth when they are not cleaned properly. Cavity, a hole in a tooth. Denture, an artificial set of teeth worn by people who have lost their teeth. Microbes, tiny living organisms that can be seen only under microscope. Pathogen, a disease-causing organism. Let's recall teeth and microbes. Teeth, structure of a tooth. Layers of a tooth. Types of teeth. Care of teeth and gums. Microbes, temporary, milk teeth. Permanent teeth. Crown, neck, root. Enamel, dentine, pulp. Incisors, canines. Premolars, molars. Formation of cavities in teeth. Food for healthy teeth and gums. Need for regular checkups. Bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa.